let's quickly cut across to Pankaj joining us from Mumbai for more details on this. Pankaj, we heard a really heartfelt conversation between Suraj Pancholi and Sushant from India Today. Suraj Pancholi said he never had a party. He never met Sushant in the recent past. He's never met Disha Salian. And he says whatever the allegations are coming forward have not been from the family members or the Mumbai police. It's a BJP leader speaking. How and why should he be pulled up for it? He is disappointed that the Mumbai police have not clarified on his behalf as yet, knowing very well that he has no connection. This is his justification. He seems quite dejected, upset and sad, says that he will be forced to commit suicide if allegations like this escalate.
You know, this case has become so murkier because of the allegations, counter-allegation statements from various stakeholders. And in the latest count, you have Mr. Pancholi coming out and saying that he is being harassed and that he is nowhere attached with this case, that he is being unnecessarily dragged into the controversies. Earlier, it was Dino Moria as well. Before that, we had some members from the Riya Chakrabarti camp, and then we had the friends of the late actor as well. So today, as things stand, you have the BMC which is involved in the case, you have the Mumbai police, you have the political leaders, not just from the government but the opposition, making statements on this case. You have the IPS officer from Patna who's in quarantine here. Another level politics is going on there. You have the senior officials of the Bihar police making statements. You have the politicians from Bihar making statements. You have the leaders from the central government making statements. So this case has become so much murkier right now, so much so to the fact that it has completely taken away the focus from the real investigation at this point of time. Of course, when we are talking about the various statements that are being made, these are mere statements. The responsibility, the onus lies on the police to record these statements, to probe these statements. It is, of course, the final word. It is going to be of the police as to who's speaking the truth.
Undoubtedly. Now that the case has been taken up by the CBI, Pankaj, it depends what the CBI probes into, how it probes into. Suraj Pancholi there explaining himself, saying these allegations are false and baseless, more importantly. Thank you very much, Pankaj, for joining us with those details.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.